Hi, today we're talking about gap analysis, a simple but powerful way to see which stocks are being aggressively pushed by investors. A gap happens when a stock opens significantly above the high or below the low of the previous day's candle, regardless of the time. It shows strong buying or selling pressure between one day's close and the next day's open. Gaps show investor strength. For example, multiple positive gaps in a row usually indicate strong buying pressure and support for a trend. On the EPS Momentum platform, you can search for gaps using the full gap filter. You can select gaps from today up to 4 days back. Let's filter by the largest positive gaps. Stocks showing multiple positive gaps over the last few days indicate strong investor demand. When a stock has 2 to 3 positive gaps in a row, it's a sign that buyers are pushing the price higher, and the stock is likely to continue trending. For example, Kam Teck Limited, full gap 0-day plus 0.37%, full gap 1-day plus 4.18%, number of positive gaps, 2. So, multiple positive gaps equal strong support. Multiple negative gaps equal strong resistance or weakness. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.